What if the Earth were flat? Would space travel be possible? A journey to the edge of the Earth? Would our perception of time change? Welcome to the What If Lab channel. Sit back and let's begin. First, we need to understand how the flat Earth is described in our time, as we will base our discussion on this theory. Some people believe that the Earth is a flat disk surrounded by a wall of ice, serving as a barrier for the ocean. They think that the Sun and the Moon rotate around the flat Earth. Proponents of this theory often describe them as smaller and closer objects. Based on this information, we will create a model of the Earth and imagine what our world would be like. All of the Earth's territory would be illuminated when the Sun was perpendicular to its surface. Similarly, night would fall over the entire planet when the Sun set over the edge of the Earth. This would significantly affect communication between countries, as the number of time zones would be reduced, allowing all inhabitants to sleep around the same time. Currently, there are 24 time zones in the world, and different points on Earth have their own times. For example, when it is Monday at 11 a.m. in New York, it is already Tuesday at 1 a.m. in Tokyo. This creates certain difficulties in communication between people from different countries. Such a simplification of time zones could facilitate interaction and coordination between countries and ordinary citizens. Even the flights of our familiar air routes would be easier for our bodies, as we wouldn't have to spend the first few days adjusting to a new time zone. If the Earth were flat, journeys to the edge of the Earth would become popular worldwide. People would first travel to remote corners by plane, and then, upon arriving at special centers, they would change into winter clothing, as glaciers would be located at the edges of the Earth. Travelers would arrive at the very edge dressed warmly and marvel at the breathtaking view before them, gazing at the seemingly endless drop. Some brave souls would descend by ropes to see what lies beneath them. Unfortunately, proponents of the flat Earth theory do not explain what exists beneath the glaciers or the Earth's crust. Share your ideas in the comments about what might be under the Earth if it were flat. If the Earth were flat, our concepts of space and space travel would be completely different. We would envision space as a vast dome rising above a flat surface. The Sun and Moon, rotating above this dome, would create an illusion of proximity and accessibility of celestial bodies, altering our perception of the universe. Astronomers and researchers would strive to understand what lies beyond the visible dome, believing that life ends there. They would embark on expeditions to reach the boundaries of the sky, but unfortunately, the flat Earth theory does not describe what exists beyond the dome, leaving us to speculate. Inside a flat Earth, instead of a liquid or solid core, there could be various layers composed of different materials. These layers might consist of a combination of rock, metals, and other elements, but they would not have the high temperature and pressure characteristic of our planet's core. This could lead to differences in geological processes, such as volcanism and earthquakes, which are associated with the movement of tectonic plates. The absence of a core, as we know it, could significantly impact the planet's magnetic field. In our reality, the magnetic field protects the Earth from solar wind and radiation, playing an important role in sustaining life on the planet. On a flat Earth, where the magnetic field could be either weak or completely absent, life might be under threat. Additionally, the structure of a flat Earth could affect climate conditions. The absence of a core would mean that the heat emanating from the center of the planet could not regulate temperatures on the surface. This could result in more drastic climate changes, creating extreme conditions in some regions and leading to challenges in agriculture and ecosystems. And now we have reached the end of the video. I hope you found this science fiction video interesting. Share in the comments what else might exist on Earth if it were flat. I won't say goodbye. See you next time.